All right, easy does it. Now, I want you to hold on with the hand near me.
Okay.
Shorten up your other rein a little bit more. Watch our little canter. There you go, and just lean back, okay?
It's easier said than done.
I know easier said than done. It's easier for me to say it. Right here. Right here. Don't run over John Michael.
Eric, your legs are getting much tighter. Now you can ride a lot.
Yeah. There you go. Don't pull too hard. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice job. All right.
That's it. I'm like, what is
One more time. Did you see her do her no stirrup stuff? She did really good.
Yeah.
All right. Let him walk. Give him a big pat. That was very nice.
Shauna, right there.